Yale Locks. We've got a few new locks showing this year. First, we've got our Nest Yale Lock. So this is an exclusive Works with Nest product. It's going to work with your Nest Cam and your Nest app, so you can lock and unlock from anywhere, manage PIN codes, receive access notifications. That will be doing pre-orders in February of this year, so just next month. Over here, we have the Anderson patio door lock. So this works with our Assure system. So this is for your patio swing doors. Same kind of system. It's got a touchscreen keypad. Enter your PIN code here. You can use it with HomeKit, Z-Wave, or Zigbee. And it also comes in a Bluetooth version. That'll be shipping in about Q2 of this year. And then finally, over here, we've got the Assure Lock SL, which is the slimmest touchscreen lock on the market today. It's been shipping since October. Retails for $219. And again, that one is Z-Wave, Zigbee, or HomeKit for you iPhone users.